is a diesel shunter who works the quarry at the top of Thomas's branch line. She collects all the trucks and shunts them into place for them to be loaded with stones. Every morning, she collects some trucks for Toby, who takes him down the line for his morning train. Sometimes, Mavis shunts him into different sidings and makes Toby late. One day, Toby spoke to her. Trucks should be where you want them when you want them. I don't have time to play hunt the trucks with you. Mavis was upset. The only reason I'm here is because you couldn't fetch them yourself. Toby puffed away with his trucks. Later, Percy arrived to talk with Mavis. Toby has forgotten more about trucks than you will ever know, he said sternly. He's just an old fusspot, said Mavis. I'm only here because he couldn't take them himself. Exactly, so show him some respect, and he will show you some too. And Percy puffed away. Said Mavis. Later, a line of trucks was loaded up and needed to be moved. I'll show them, said Mavis, and she bumped the trucks. Oh, oh, they cried. We'll show her. Mavis pulled and pulled. Come on, she groaned. Then there was trouble. One of the trucks had a bad coupler. Oh, my coupling, it groaned. Mavis kept pulling. Then, the coupling snapped and Mavis shot forward. Oh dear, she cried. She flew out of the siding and came off the rails. Her driver jumped clear before she came off the rails, but her cowcatcher was damaged. Oh dear, she said. Toby and Percy will think I'm silly now. But Toby didn't say anything. He arrived with the breakdown train to help Mavis back on the rails. I hope you're all right, said Toby. The Fat Controller is sending you to the works to have your cowcatcher mended. A few days later, Mavis came back to the quarry and she never questioned Toby again.